Starting to save for retirement in your 20s can be the smartest financial decision you ever make. Many young people think retirement is too far away to worry about now. However, the earlier you start, the easier it will be to accumulate a substantial nest egg. Time is your biggest ally when it comes to saving for retirement. Even small contributions can grow significantly over time. This way, you set yourself up for a comfortable and stress-free retirement. Compound interest is your best friend when it comes to saving for retirement. It allows your money to grow exponentially over time. To put it simply, compound interest means you earn interest not only on your initial savings, but also on the interest those savings have already earned. Imagine you save $100 a month starting at age 25. With an average annual return of 7%, you could have over $250,000 by the time you retire. That's the magic of compound interest. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. Compound interest works best when you are patient. The longer you leave your money invested, the more it grows. This is why starting in your 20s is so crucial. You have the luxury of time that older savers may not. So make compound interest work for you. Start saving early and let your money grow while you focus on other aspects of your life. The benefits of compound interest will reward you greatly in the future. A 401k is one of the most popular retirement savings accounts. It is offered by many employers and comes with several benefits. One of the biggest advantages is the tax benefit. The money you contribute to a 401k is pre-tax, which means it reduces your taxable income. Many employers also offer a matching contribution. This is essentially free money that boosts your retirement savings. For example, if your employer matches 50% of your contributions up to a certain amount, it's like getting a 50% return on your investment instantly. You can choose how to invest the money in your 401k. This usually includes options like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. It's important to diversify your investments to minimize risk and maximize returns. However, there are some restrictions. You can't withdraw money from your 401k without penalties until you're 59.5 years old. This ensures that the money is saved specifically for retirement, which is a good thing for your future. A Roth IRA is another excellent option for retirement savings. Unlike a 401k, contributions to a Roth IRA are made with after-tax dollars. This means you don't get an immediate tax break, but the money grows tax-free, and withdrawals in retirement are also tax-free. The Roth IRA is very flexible. You can withdraw your contributions, not the earnings, at any time without penalties. This makes it a great option if you think you might need access to your money before retirement age. However, the goal should still be to let it grow for as long as possible. There are limits to how much you can contribute to a Roth IRA each year. For 2024, the maximum is $6,500 if you're under 50. Despite the limits, the tax-free growth and withdrawals make it a powerful tool for retirement savings. A Roth IRA also offers a wide range of investment options. You can invest in stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and more. This flexibility allows you to tailor your investments to suit your risk tolerance and financial goals. Section 5. How much should you aim to save? Aim to save at least 15% of your income for retirement. Starting early makes this goal manageable. Even small amounts add up over time. Start with what you can afford. Increase contributions as your income grows. Set specific goals to stay on track. Consistency is key to successful saving. Section 6. Balancing retirement savings with other financial goals. Saving for retirement is important, but it's not the only financial goal. You might also be saving for a house, paying off student loans, or building an emergency fund. Prioritize your goals based on urgency and importance. Building an emergency fund should be a top priority. Use a budgeting tool to allocate your income. Celebrate small wins along the way. Section 7. Creating a budget to include retirement savings. Creating a budget is essential for managing your finances and ensuring you can save for retirement. Start by listing all your income sources and expenses. This will give you a clear picture of where your money is going and where you can cut back to save more. Allocate a specific portion of your income to retirement savings. Treat this like a non-negotiable expense, just like rent or utilities. Automating your contributions can make this easier and ensure you stay consistent. Track your spending to see if you're sticking to your budget. If you find areas where you're overspending, look for ways to cut back. This might mean cooking at home more often or canceling unused subscriptions. Every little bit you save can go towards your retirement fund. Review your budget regularly to make sure it still aligns with your financial goals. Life changes, and so should your budget. By staying on top of your finances, you can ensure you're making the most of your income and maximizing your retirement savings. Section 8. The role of employer contributions. Employer contributions can significantly boost your retirement savings. Many companies offer matching contributions to 401(k) plans. This is essentially free money that helps grow your retirement fund faster. Take full advantage of your employer's match by contributing at least enough to get the full match. For example, if your employer matches 50% of your contributions up to 6% of your salary, aim to contribute at least 6%. This way, you're not leaving any money on the table. Some employers also offer profit sharing or other retirement benefits. Make sure you understand all the options available to you and take full advantage of them. These contributions can make a big difference over the long term. Remember, employer contributions are part of your overall compensation. They are a valuable benefit that can help you reach your retirement goals faster. Make sure you're taking full advantage of them to maximize your savings. Section 9. Tips for staying consistent with retirement savings. Staying consistent with retirement savings can be challenging, especially when life gets busy. One of the best ways to stay on track is to automate your savings. Set up automatic contributions to your retirement accounts so you don't have to think about it. Another tip is to increase your contributions gradually. For example, increase your savings rate by 1% every year or every time you get a raise. This way you can save more without feeling a big impact on your budget. Stay informed about your investments and retirement accounts. Regularly review your statements and make adjustments as needed. This will help you stay engaged and motivated to keep saving. Finally, remind yourself of your long-term goals. Keep a picture of your dream retirement destination or a list of the things you want to do in retirement. These reminders can help you stay focused and motivated to keep saving consistently. Section 10. Conclusion. Start early, save smart. Starting to save for retirement in your 20s is one of the best financial decisions you can make. The power of compound interest, the benefits of retirement accounts like 401(k) and Roth IRA, and the ability to take advantage of employer contributions all work in your favor. Remember, you don't need to save a lot immediately. Small, consistent contributions add up over time. Balancing retirement savings with other financial goals is possible with careful planning and budgeting. The most important thing is to start now. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to grow. By making smart financial decisions in your 20s, you can set yourself up for a comfortable and secure retirement. So take that first step today. Your future self will thank you for it. Start early, save smart, and enjoy the peace of mind that comes with knowing you're on the right path to financial security.